Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the DSHKISK Smart Ring for women and men. A compact yet powerful fitness tracker designed to help you monitor your health and style. From heart rate and blood oxygen levels to blood pressure and sleep patterns. This ring is packed with features aimed at giving you a complete picture of your wellness. Unlike bulky smartwatches, this sleek ring offers continuous monitoring while remaining discreet and comfortable for 24/7 wear. One of the standout features of the DSHKISK Smart Ring is its advanced sleep analysis. It tracks your light, deep, and REM sleep cycles, and even monitors changes in blood oxygen and heart rate variability overnight. This gives you detailed insights into your recovery and overall sleep quality, helping you make smarter lifestyle choices. The design of the ring is both elegant and practical. With a hypoallergenic build and IP68 waterproof rating, you can wear it all day without worrying about irritation or accidental water exposure. The included portable charging case doubles as a power bank, making it easy to recharge on the go while keeping your ring protected from scratches and damage. Connectivity is seamless, syncing effortlessly with both iPhone and Android devices. The accompanying app is free with lifetime access, meaning there are no monthly fees. It translates complex health data into easy-to-understand insights, guiding you whether your goals are weight management, stress reduction, or improving athletic performance. Inside the box, you get everything you need: the smart ring, a charging case, charging cable, and a user manual, ready for immediate use. With its long battery life, portable charging, and comprehensive health monitoring, this smart ring is a solid choice for anyone looking to combine style with functionality. That's it for today's product critique review. If you're looking for a compact, stylish, and feature-packed health tracker, this smart ring might just be the companion you've been searching for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product reviews right here on Product Critique.